there are no baths. This is the opinion of the author that in consideration of the accused taking his physical disability and his emotional, psychological and psychiatric state into consideration can only impact negative and intensely on the person of the accused and in fact place him in danger. It will not assist him but would break him as a person. The accused will find it extremely difficult to walk on his stumps on cement and slippery floors. Informed about his current abilities. He also requires a rail in the shower to provide him with adequate support. This was not visible at previous visits to the prison's basic facilities. There are no baths. There are no private showers facilities, and the exposure of the accused on his stumps to inmates will have a severe effect on him.
Are you saying that because of his disability, you will argue and advise the court not to send him to prison?
Not at all, my lady. I said that sentence options vest in the hands of the Honourable Court.
What would you advise? That's a word I used, and recommend.
I would most definitely put factors before the Honourable Court which will put him in a much more vulnerable position than a person going in with legs or that are able to function in a normal manner, so to speak.
So disabled people should not be imprisoned?
That is not what I said, my lady. I know of disabled people in wheelchairs that are in prison. What I'm trying to say is it is more difficult, my lady. It cannot be disputed.
Now, but prison is difficult for anybody.
It is difficult, but then it is so more difficult for a disabled person.